Welcome back to the High Five. We know it's probably been a little exhausting, but hopefully a very fulfilling few weeks for you since school started. Kick back for the next few minutes and listen and learn as we share ideas, resources, and upcoming October events. A great way to engage students in their learning is to give them choice. Research has shown that providing choices to students of all ages often increases their intrinsic motivation, behavior that is driven by internal rewards. Choice in the classroom has also been linked to increases in student effort, task performance, and subsequent learning. However, to reap these benefits, a teacher should create choices that are robust enough for students to feel that their decision has an impact on their learning. In order to incorporate choice in the classroom, we recommend these 4 strategies. Teachers can offer a choice of tasks, reporting formats, learning goals, and/or behaviors. An excellent resource for student choice and engagement is the book The Highly Engaged Classroom by Robert Marzano and Deborah Pickering. Sniffles and coughs and fevers, oh my! Have you caught every cold and flu bug that has already visited your school building? This is a frequent occurrence for first-year teachers, so be prepared for those last-minute absences. Prepare a subtum that has emergency lesson plans, handouts, books, and other materials your substitute might need to successfully engage your students in meaningful learning activities. Check the Google Classroom announcement for a list of subtum ideas. Typically, we'll take this time to talk about content and assessment for your students, but this month we want to educate you about the importance of finding your marigold. What could that mean? Cultofpedagogy.com is a website devoted to you, the classroom teacher. In addition to a blog, podcast, and videos, the team also provides free downloads of thought-provoking articles. One such article is Find Your Marigold by Jennifer Gonzalez. In it, she states, by finding the positive, supportive, energetic teachers in your school and sticking close to them, you can improve your job satisfaction more than with any other strategy, and your chances of excelling in this field will skyrocket. Just like a young seedling growing in a garden, thriving in your first year depends largely on who you plant yourself next to. Find this article in the resources attached to this video, and then go out there and find your marigold. There are several upcoming events that you'll want to check out. Our community meetup will be at the Nevada State Museum on October 17th. Come learn about the history of Nevada. We value choice as much as students do. Choose what you want to learn about at the Education Meetup on October 20th at Texas Station. 8 different Teach Like a Champion workshops will be held all over the valley all month long. Sign up in Pathlore today. Here's some food for thought. There's really no tired like teacher tired. These 2 quotes are oh so true. Hang in there and know that all of your hard work is making a big difference in the lives of CCSD students. Thanks for joining us this month. Please refer to the Google Classroom announcement where you'll find this High Five link to access the resources mentioned. Hope to see you at our October event and virtually for our holiday High Five. Let's be greater together.